Welcome to OCHE'S blog. Today we are going to look at why your video is having a sudden drop in your views and the causes and how to fix it. You must have often experienced a situation where you notice that your metrics are dropping significantly, or you must have noticed a situation where your views are dropping exponentially. Gradually, every month your views keep dropping from the previous month, as if there is a gradation of a step ladder where your views keep going down, and definitely it gets to a stage where the views drop down to 0 or less, and you keep posting videos and you're not having views. Some of you must have posted up to 6, 5, 7 videos, yet YouTube is not recommending your videos. You are not getting views. You get frustrated, and prior to that, your videos were booming before. You that you are known for uploading a video that skyrocketed to thousands of views is now having videos where you barely get 1,000 views. You've tried all your efforts, you try to share with friends, you've done all the SEOs possible, yet YouTube keep stopping your video from being recommended. The algorithm is not picking your video. So guys, stick around. This video is for you. If you're in such dangerous situation, your channel needs help. Like I said, your channel needs help, and you need to be fast about it, because your channel is in danger. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you what to do to stop the sudden drop in your video views, what to do to awaken your channel if your channel is dead. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to recover your views. You'll be able to, your channel will be able to get high views again, and your videos will be able to get high views. Your videos will be able to perform well at the end of these videos if you follow the step-by-step guide, guys. So guys, stick around, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do well to subscribe to my channel, guys. So guys, like I told you, you are known for uploading videos that have thousands of views, and suddenly your videos drop. The metric keep dropping, showing gradations in the drop, and the views are dropping with gradations like a ladder staircase coming down, and you've been noticing that, but you didn't actually worry about it. That's definitely leading to what we call shadowban. Your channel is probably being shadowban, and there are reasons why your channel are shadowban. When you notice a sudden drop in your videos, it simply means that your channel is shadowban, and at that point you have to rescue your channel with speed. If not, you will suffer for long. A journey of YouTube that should take you probably few months is now taking you years, because your channel is shadowban. How can I tell if my channel is shadowban? For you to know that your channel is shadowban, you will notice a significant drops in your videos, and a point will come where you no longer have views. At that point, you absolutely know that your channel is shadowban. Even when you post up to 6, 7 videos on a normal, people are supposed to watch your videos, even if it is 2, 5, 10, but this time around 0 views. You keep having 0 views. It's too disheartening, especially when you spend quality time editing your video and nothing good comes out of it. So guys, we are going to talk about why you are having this shadowban. First is community violation. If your channel has history of community violation, like a copyright claim or a strike, let's say 2 strikes, there is possibility that your channel will be shadowban. The reason is that the strike is affecting your channel indirectly, telling the algorithm that your channel is probably misleading. So guys, if you have a community violation on your channel, or a history of community violation, probably a strike or a copyright claim, it can lead to shadowban. So that's one of the ways someone can incur a shadowban on his or her channel. Then another way again is spam behavior. Guys, like I told you, YouTube have anti-spam agents. They have anti-spam team that work against spam behaviors, like excessive commenting. You post a video, it's not up to 1 hour, so you are seeing 10 comments, 15 comments, and the comments, most times the comments are made by random account from the same form. Some of you have one form with about 4 or 5 accounts commenting on the same video for the same form with the same IP address. So when the anti-spam team detect that, they probably put your channel on Shadowban. They will not directly message you that your channel is on Shadowban, but what you will notice is that there will be a sudden drop in your views. Then another reason why you could have Shadowban is when you post explicit content or sexual content. Like I told you, YouTube is strictly against pornographic or sexual content. So when you are making your videos or your thumbnails, or you are designing your video thumbnails or the title, you have to be very, very careful. Those kind of content can harm your channel and make it to have shadow ban. Like when you post about relationship, mostly people in relationship, they are those people that relationship niche. There are those people that have the potential of getting this kind of shadow ban for their explicit content. You talk more of sex, pornographic, explicit text, or naughty talk. These things can potentially harm your channel, because YouTube is made in such a way, the platform is made in such a way that it should be moderate and it should accommodate everybody, not a place for pornography or explicit content. And YouTube is against that. That is why, if you notice, most times the least ad revenue comes from those kind of content. So the algorithm can be fighting your channel secretly and you will not know. You will be there working tirelessly, but the algorithm is against your channel because of those kind of explicit content. Probably in your title, you are fond of using words like sex, words like penis, and all those kind of stuff. So these are kind of words that harm your channel and tell the algorithm that your channel contain explicit content. Sometimes your videos may actually be moderate. You have not violated any community guideline, but because of the kind of topic you talk about, it signals to the anti-spam team or the YouTube algorithm that your channel has explicit content. Definitely, there's a YouTube bot that will restrict your channel from getting views and possibility of giving you a shadow ban. So another way you can incur shadow ban in your videos is deleting multiple videos in a consecutive time or in a row. Let's say you upload a video and you notice that your videos, that particular video is not getting you enough views as wanted. You feel like, as compared to your previous videos, here you'll be having thousands of views, this particular video is not doing well. Probably let me delete it and post it at a particular hours of time. You delete, you repost it. Same thing happen again. You delete, you make new videos and post. And when you delete videos in a rows like that, it shows spammy activities on your channel, and that could incur you a shadow ban. Your channel can incur a shadow ban. So guys, if you are fond of deleting videos regularly, you should stop that. If you post a video and you discover that the video is not doing well, you can as well leave it for the meantime. Probably later the video will perform well. Or if you feel like the video is obsolete or is old version and you need to remove it from your channel, rather than deleting your videos, you can probably put your videos on private if you want to clean up your channel. So in that way, you save your channel the stress of incurring a shadow ban. And another way you could get shadow ban is for those of you that like deleting comments. You don't like criticism. You don't want someone to criticize you. Some of your audience make some awful comments in your comment section, and you select the good ones and delete the bad ones. That kind of practice will potentially harm your channel and probably incur you a shadow ban. So if you are fond of doing that, you definitely have to stop that. Another way you can probably incur a shadow ban is when you upload copyrighted video. We all know that especially the small YouTubers, they are very, very eager to make it, to meet up their requirement. They therefore copy people trending videos. You must have seen videos that saying modified trending videos, post it on your channel, and you get high views. So some of them, in as much as they are trying to get their channel monetized, they copy people's video and then they uploaded. They get a copyright or upload a copyrighted videos, and at the end of the day, they have a copyright strike that can incur you a shadow ban. So guys, you have to stop that habit. Another way you can probably get a shadow ban that will probably lead to a sudden drop in your channel is when your channel information is misleading. Let's say you are in a low CPM country like Africa, let's say India, Nigeria, and you are targeting a high CPM country, and you decide to change your channel location to, let's say, United States. You are in Nigeria and you are changing your channel location to United States because probably you run a faceless channel and you are targeting a high CPM country. So doing that can incur you a shadow ban. And another thing again is when you constantly change the name of your channel from one thing to another. You probably maybe notice that this type of content is performing well. You go ahead and change the name of that channel. So that can also lead to shadow ban. Then another ways you can probably get shadow ban again is technical glitch, which is one of the common one. You have technical glitch in your account due to upgrade. Most times YouTube upgrade their policy, upgrade their systems in every 3 months, and you have a technical glitch and your channel is unknowingly placed on shadow ban. You've done all the SEOs yet, you are not getting good results. So that glitch can probably put your channel on shadow ban and you may not be aware. And the best things you can do there is to resolve the issue. And another thing that can incur you a shadow ban again is AdSense account issues. When you have issues with your AdSense account or your bank details through your payment, you probably can get a shadow ban. Though it's not certain, but this is one of the reasons why some people have shadow ban. So guys, if you watched to this very moment, you must have learned a lot of things why you keep having low views or a sudden drop in your channel. If you know you are guilty of any of this, you probably have to stop it so that you can have a good channel history, a healthy channel. So guys, at this point I'm going to tell you what exactly you are going to do when you have a sudden drop in your channel, a sudden drop in the views, in your views. As if sometimes some people keep thinking that is it that my audience are sleeping, or is it that they don't like my video again. Some people go as far as going to their community posts and ask, hello audience, what do you want me to make video, which topic do you want me to make video on? They will give a suggestion and their audience votes, though it actually helps because that is what your audience are interested in. But at the end of the day, when you make this video yet the video is not getting views and you feel frustrated. So guys, how do you resolve shadow ban? How do you resolve sudden drop in your views? Stick around. If you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to turn on the notification button, click the subscribe button and follow me guys, and subscribe to my channel guys. So first of all, you have to contact the YouTube team. There are ways you can contact them. You can contact them through the feedback option in your YouTube setting. Via your YouTube studio, there's a feedback option there, or you can go to your normal YouTube studio app. You go to your settings and then you get the feedback options where you write to them. I'm going to show you the kind of message you write to them. On my screen here, you can see the message is being displayed. This is the kind of things you write to them. Hello Team YouTube, at Team YouTube, you incur a shadow ban in your channel, probably due to technical issues because you've not violated any of their policies. Can they please help you rectify the issue? These are complaints you can absolutely lay and they will rectify your shadow ban. So guys, when you notice such issue with your channel, you definitely have to contact YouTube team. They are the best person to help you do that. And how do you contact them? You can contact them through the feedback option in your YouTube studio. You can contact them through even the main YouTube app. You can also contact them on their S account, that's Twitter. They are very, very active on their Twitter account. They give you prompt response in less than 24 hours. And sometimes you may not get response, but that doesn't mean they are not working on your channel. Most times they have a lot of complaints. Guys, you have to be very, very careful on Twitter. If not, you can probably lose your account to scammers, because when you lay the complaint on Twitter, there are some comments that will come under your complaint from scammers that you should contact this for support, contact that for support. You have to be very careful, guys. You have to be very careful. Don't contact anybody. Just lay your comments. Like I told you, I will on the video screen, you can see right now the kind of message you will send to them. Copy the message. I'll put the message also in my description for you guys. Then you just copy it and then edit it based on your channel, and then you send it to them on Twitter. They will respond in less than 24 hours, and your Shadowban channel will be fixed. Secondly, another way you can fix this Shadowban, which is you have to allow the channel to rest for 28 days. Guys, your channel, you have to stop posting. When you notice a sudden drop in your channel, you have to stop posting for a minimum of 28 days, sometimes 3 months. Sometimes it takes 3 months for the shadow ban in your channel to go, but oftentimes 28 days, so that all the videos you've been posting, your metrics will start afresh again. Like it will probably not start afresh because you'll still be getting traffic from your old videos. You'll be getting traffic from your old videos, but since you've stopped posting for the last 28 days, a kind of traffic and then source of views you'll be getting will not be too significant. So your metrics, everything will drop, and your channel will now be as white, like all your metrics will be drop dead. And when you start again, it's just like waking up your channel. It's just like you are planting tree again, and the next and your analytics will start picking up one after the other. So it will start picking up, and at the end of the day, your channel will recover. But when you keep posting to fight that shadow ban, to make sure you have views, definitely there's nothing, you just keep harming your channel. So guys, rather than consistently posting while your videos are not having view, you just definitely have to stop and allow the channel to rest for at least 28 days or sometimes 3 months. That is why sometimes when you go through YouTube, some channels on YouTube, you discover that they stop posting for a while. You'll be feeling like, this channel has been doing well, but why has this channel stopped posting for a while? Sometimes you see some channel will be abandoned for 9 months, some 3 months, some 2 months, depending on when the shadow ban is lifted. So guys, you have to stop posting for a while for at least 28 days, then you can try posting again. And another way you can probably awaken your channel is by doing SEOs, guys, so that traffic can be coming from your search. When you have a high volume of traffic from your search, definitely the ban on your channel will be lifted. It signals to the algorithm that your videos is highly relevant. So by doing SEOs, you have to do a lot of keyword research that will make you to rank on YouTube search, so that when enough traffic are coming from the search, you'll be getting enough views, and it will now signal to the algorithm that your videos is relevant, and they'll start recommending your videos. Then guys, another possible way you can resolve this shadow ban is, if you notice that your short videos are doing well. Most times your long form videos are not performing well, but your short form videos are performing well. Just keep focusing on the short form videos, and in such a way you now put your long form videos as related video, but stop posting your long form video if the long form videos are not doing it. Just keep on the short form videos, then your old long form videos, you now put them as related video in your short form videos. In that way, as your short form videos is doing well, it will still be suggesting your long form videos to your audience, and definitely the shadow ban will be lifted. And lastly guys, you have to pray. You have to be optimistic, you have to be hopeful. You have to know that one day definitely this ban will be lifted. You have to know that one day definitely the YouTube struggle you will make, you will get monetized, and you will make your desired revenue. So guys, don't stop praying, just commit it to God, and then be serious. I know everybody is serious already. Watching till this moment shows that you are very serious. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Do well to click the subscribe button. If you have watched this moment, congratulations. You can support me by clicking the subscribe buttons. Leave a comment at the comment section. I will reply you. If you have any question, feel free to ask me. Thanks guys.